Let me ask you a question. How many of you believe you're capable of performing at a higher level than the level that you're currently performing at by a show of hands? I believe that to be true as well. My name is Eric Lofholm, and I'm excited to share with you some specific ideas that you can immediately implement to make more sales now.
I've been looking forward to speaking with you because I know that you're a master at your craft, and I know that you're a master sales trainer. So how did you get your experience? What's your background?
Yeah, I've been in commission sales for a little over 22 years. I actually started off as a sales failure, and I was about to get fired from my job, and I was introduced to my first sales mentor, a gentleman named Dr. Donald Moyne. So about 21 years ago, I received professional sales training for the first time, and my sales skyrocketed. So that's how I got into sales, and I'm a naturally gifted trainer. So once I had Dr. Moyne's ideas, I started teaching them to my coworkers, and I ended up working with Tony Robbins for a little bit, and then started my own company. And so now we're all about helping people make more sales. I'm a system sales trainer, and the way I like to solve sales problems and sales challenges is to take a systematic approach. I teach 3 key systems to grow any business: lead generation, appointment setting, and lead conversion. In teaching this content, I've found there's only 3 ways to elevate your sales results: the inner game, which is mindset, belief systems, confidence; the outer game, which is the how-tos, what you say, when you say it, how you say it; and then action, the implementation of the ideas. So when I come in and train your people, I'm going to be sharing with them specific ways that they can strengthen their inner game, specific how-to techniques that they can apply. And I'm also going to share a very motivational, encouraging message to inspire them to take more immediate action to make more sales. Over the last 30 days, did you take enough action? In other words, did you get in front of enough prospects with your presentation in order for you to achieve your sales goals? The power of the present moment is at any given moment in time, you can make a decision about how your life is going to be different. If, as you thought about, did I get in front of enough prospects? If the answer was no, I encourage you, make a decision right now. Step up and take massive action to make sure that month in and month out, you're getting in front of enough prospects.
What can a company expect when hiring Eric Lofholm International?
Well, they can expect professional sales training. You know, what we're really about, although I do motivational training, it's really about a skill transfer. So the difference is with motivation, we get excited in the moment. That wears off after a little bit. Skill transfer, the skill set gets transferred over permanently to the other person. And so that's really what we're about. We're a training company. It's about a transfer of skills in the area of selling. One of the things that I love to share are very easy to implement, practical ideas that make more sales now. And I'm going to share an idea with you that I've had many people tell me, Eric, I love that idea. I love the simplicity and easy to implement tool that I teach is managing your pipeline. Salespeople know to do this. So many of them are not effective at it. After I teach them how to effectively manage their pipeline, I ask them, how many of you got value from that idea? Almost every hand goes up. And it is so easy for them to immediately become more effective at managing their pipeline, which means, bottom line, more sales, more revenue to the company, and more income to the salesperson. I've been teaching sales to people from all over the world, and one of the things that I've found is that oftentimes people have resistance to the idea of sales, asking for the order, asking for the money. How many of you in this room even have a little bit of resistance asking for the order, making prospecting calls, asking for the money or sales? How many even a little bit of resistance? Yeah, usually it's a large number of people in any audience. What I want to do right now is share with you a very practical idea on how you can create a paradigm shift around selling to let go of that resistance to sales and embrace sales. When people think about salespeople, they commonly think of arm twisting, high pressure, manipulation, used car sales. I believe selling equals service. Sell from honesty, integrity, and compassion. Selling is about leading. Selling is about moving people to action. So it's all about coming from a place of serving others.
Eric, I want to talk to you about your latest book. I know you have several. How many books do you have out?
I've written 8.
You've written 8 books, and this is your latest book. It's called The System. Tell me about this book and why it's been such a huge success.
10 years in the making.
Wow.
This book here, of course, you can get it for about $10, but if I was to charge fair market value from my viewpoint, that would be a $10,000 book.
That's an expensive book.
I'm not going to charge that because who's going to pay $10,000 for a book? But that's the value. This is my life's work. So what this does is it teaches step by step how do you generate leads, how do you set appointments, step by step how to close. It breaks down the entire sales process. My blood, sweat, and tears was poured into that book, and it's been very, very successful, selling all over the world in the ebook format as well as the paperback. And it's something that I'm really, really proud of, the quality of that book.
Congratulations. I know it's been a huge success and it's still selling off the charts. And I believe you're working on a follow-up book now. What is this book?
Yeah, so the second book, my main book, is called The System Part 2, and it's a sales script writing book. It's all about how do you write a winning sales presentation. Dr. Moyne, my mentor, taught me many, many years ago, if you want to increase your confidence, write a winning script. Practice it, role play it. And so I'm just about done with the book, and I'm so excited about how it's going to help so many salespeople all over the world increase their confidence and make more sales. I believe unequivocally anybody can increase their sales results by applying proven sales systems, and that's why I'm so passionate about sharing these ideas with others. How many of you in this room can take what I just shared with you and you know without a shadow of a doubt that is going to help you be more effective in your closing by a show of hands? That's right. And you're going to have that skill set literally for the rest of your life. It's possible somebody in this room could generate an additional $1 million in commissions just by executing on the idea that I just taught you.
There are a lot of sales training companies out there. What separates you and Eric Lofholm International?
Yeah, I think for me, I'm a gifted teacher. And so once I was professionally trained in sales in my early 20s, I was able to start successfully communicating those ideas to other salespeople. So yeah, I can't really speak to the other trainers out there. I just know I'm very passionate about training. I've been doing it professionally now for a little over 16 years. And what I'm focused on is a skill transfer. So if you're a company that's wanting a passionate, energetic, professional sales trainer to come in and deliver great content that's going to help your salespeople make more sales immediately, then that's right in my sweet spot. Another thing is we're great with working with people after the initial training. So we have off-the-shelf programs to support them, web-based professional sales training that they can participate in. We can do customization. So there's a lot of ways that we can help companies. I want to thank all of you for being a great group today. My hope is that you all got at least one idea that you can immediately implement to take more action.